Saturday, the 12th of July, 25. I'm starved. The wanting, now knowing of its absence, expands space in the silence of passing time, obtuse and yet its fickleness saturating, hungry, ruthless. The wanting, double-sided, willingly making one obedient to the submission in which is given, offered, and two breathes the growling of hidden begging and need. The wanting, in good faith and possessive knowing that coddling the truth would break into the owning of it. The wanting, the permanency of standing down with teeth still sunk and jaw locked, the thinnest of lines of bent at the taste of desire and knowing of unity. The wanting,